Hey guys, Divini Rae here. Today's fitness survival workout is called the Ugly Monkey Plyometric Workout because you're jumping around like a monkey, burning fat, sweating out those calories, and you're getting ugly. I don't know about you, when I really get my sweat on, I don't look cute doing it. Now, if you're stuck indoors in the dead of winter in Alaska, this workout is a great way to burn some fat and keep from going completely stir-crazy. Working out is one of the best ways to survive cabin fever. It's not only great for your heart, but it's going to get the endorphins flowing, which will put a smile on your face. Go ahead and repeat these exercises as many times as you'd like. I want you to make sure you're wearing something comfortable and have a bottle of water next to you, so push pause and go get ready. Okay, are you ready to get ugly? Don't be afraid, this is going to be fun. I don't do anything unless it's fun and completely ridiculous. Okay, stretch those wrists out, shake it out. Let's do the hop. This is called the bunny hop. Hoppity, 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 hop, hop. And we'll start again. Arms touch the floor, walk it out, and hop it up. Now this just kind of gets our heart rates up and ready to get ugly. Now toe-ups, you can add a little hop in there, get your heart rate up, get your knees up, just make it your own. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Okay, we've got our invisible jump rope, we're ready to go. Okay, arms high overhead, knees high. Let's get those heart rates up. All right, are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, jump up high. We can do this. Okay, now go ahead and do these as many times as you can until you absolutely can't do anymore, or until your baby wakes up or you have to do something, but just do as many as you possibly can. Every single one counts. You got this. It's almost over. Just stay with me. Do you love these? Do you just love this move? You do. I know you do. I'm not about to die. I'm not going to die. We're not going to die here. Now we're just a little out of breath. It's all good. It's good. We're going to slowly cool down and bring that heart rate slowly back down. And stretch. Slowly marching it out. Now go ahead and go into pigeon pose. You know this one. Body's engaged. And fold forward and rest. And other side. If you are comfortable doing so, then this is a great quad stretch. So go ahead and bring your body down to the mat. Just really feel that stretch in your quads, releasing your hands. And we did it. Super fun, right? Go ahead and share this video with your friends. The Ugly Monkey Plyometric Workout burns a ton of calories in a very short time. Click the subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest videos. I'm Divini Rae, and as always, make it a great day.